Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to walk through one of my favorite boats here on the lake. This is going to be a 320 Sundancer. This is going to be the bow rider slash cabin cruiser. It's going to be perfect for you and 4 people to sleep overnight, maybe even a weekend. Back here in the back you'll have a wonderful swim platform with a submersible piece in the back. Nice aft loungers that open up to give you a little bit more space, or if you want to watch something off the side of the boat. Moving in, you will have your entertainment station. It's going to give you a grill. It's going to give you a sink. Nice little refrigerator. Some trash cans. My favorite feature up here on the deck is our AC and heat unit. So with the isinglass up, or even with the isinglass down, you can turn this on. It's going to circulate either some cool or some hot air through this cockpit, which makes this a true 4-season boat here on the lake. Wonderful seating throughout, nice deep seating, tall backrest, so you feel nice and secure in the boat. Helm station is also going to be well equipped. You're going to have a joystick on this, dual lever throttles. You're going to have hydraulic swim platform and dynamic running system trim tabs on this. The lighting throughout, you can see we have it in a blue tone right now. You can change this to any color you'd like. The second feature that I love on this boat is a nice deep walkthrough. They took the galley out of the cabin of the boat to give you this walkthrough. It's wonderful if you have small kids. You have plenty of bow rail, plenty of height to it, so you're walking through safely while you're underway. Up here in the front, you'll have the 3-piece lounger, so you'll have some headrest, armrest, and a wonderful lounge pad. And centered is our windlass anchor system. Down here in the bottom is the last feature that I want to note on this boat. You're going to have a wonderful cabin. Like I said, if you're going to try to do weekends or just have the evening on the lake, this is going to be a wonderful option for you. You'll have a section up here to where you can have a convertible style. You can have it down in the head and sleeping compartment, or convert it up into a table and dinette station up front. You're going to have a microwave and a refrigerator down below, and up underneath is your second little living quarters. This can convert into 2 twin beds, or as you see in this configuration, 1 very wide bed. Last but not least is your head on board. It is going to be a wet head, so there's a shower that comes up and gives you a little bit of space in there. This boat is for sale here on Lake Lanier, so if you have any questions on it, please give me a call with the link below.